Okay, so this is the example that I'm going to do. Example 1. Let's do the integral of cosine to the power 3x sine squared x dx. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to look at this and you're going to ask yourself, is this the first type of integral? So is the power of cosine or sine, is at least one of them odd? Yes. So here, power of cosine is odd. Right? Because we've got cosine cubed x, right? Now, separate it like this. Write as cosine squared x, cosine of x. Right? So I'm just separating it out. I'm saying, well, cosine cubed is the same as cosine squared x times cosine of x. Is that true? Right? Because remember, methods of integration is just taking something that you're given, manipulating it to look like something that you know. Okay, so that's all we're doing there. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to write this as cosine squared x, cosine x, sine squared x, dx. And I'm going to move this cosine squared x over there, writing the cosine of x, sorry. Cosine squared x, sine squared x, then cosine x, dx. So I'm just rewriting it. I haven't done anything yet. I'm just rewriting and rewriting. Now, since cosine was the one where the power was odd, I'm going to take my u to be sine x. Okay? So which one had the odd power? Cosine. What do I take as my u? Sine. So let u be cosine of x. I'm doing a u substitution. Okay? So, sorry, sine x. I said that and wrote something. All right. So u is sine x. So du is cosine x dx. Okay? So this part over here is my du. This is a method, right? So now I need everything to be in terms of u. So sine squared x is just going to be u to the power what? 2. This part, cosine squared x, I need to use that identity that I wrote in the previous page, okay? Right. Substitute for cosine squared x, which is 1 minus sine squared x. So everything in the integral has to just be u. So let's look at what I get over here. So this becomes the integral of 1 minus sine squared x times sine squared x cosine x dx. And now I'm going to go and put u's down. So this is the integral 1 minus sine squared x is going to be what? U squared, right? Sine squared x, that's u squared, and cosine x dx is what? Du. Look at this integral. There are no other things. Everything is all what? U, right? You've got to get to a point where it's all u. Now, there's no rule for multiplication in integrals. You just have to go ahead and multiply. So you say, okay, this is the integral. U squared times 1 is u squared, minus u squared times u squared is u to the what power? 4. Then du. So we integrate, and we use the power rule, which says the integral of u to the power n du is u to the n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus what? C. So this is going to be u to the power 3 over 3 minus u to the power 5 over 5 plus c. Are we done?
No, we gotta,
No.
you gotta switch back to x's.
Switch it back to x's. So that gives me cosine, what was u? Sine. Oh, there. So it'll be u, which is sine
Square.
to the power 2x to the power 3x over 3 minus sine to the power 5 x over 5 plus c. Okay, was that clear?